How to make a button take you to a specific part on the page on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to put or create a button that will take you to a specific section or a specific placement into your Wix website. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see, we're going to be on this dashboard. Once we have been here, what we're going to do is going to be very simple. Click on edit site and it is going to show you the website just like that. This is the website editor. Now, what we're going to do is to head over the place where we want to place the button. For example, this is the horizontal menu. We can go ahead and click on manage menu and I'm going to add a menu item. So this menu item is going to be a link, for example, or an anchor or a section. I can go ahead and put a section, which is going to be a specific part of the page. And we're going to put the page, which page, for example, this is the home page, so it is going to be this page. We're on the page. I want to have the, as you can see, all the sections here. Now to distinguish the pages or the sections, as you can see, each one of the section is going to have a name. Like this one is going to be home. That one is going to be entitled. So we're going to put or name it as intro. I'm going to name 3 or 4 sections. So this one is going to be maybe gallery. So we are going to click on the T here, gallery, like that. And we're going to scroll down until we are going to have here this section. We're going to have it as product. And here you go. Now I'm going to be back right there. So we are going to head over the horizontal menu, click on manage. I'm going to add here a section. So we are going to link maybe to products like that. I'm going to have it as products 1, products 2, whatever section, maybe product. I'm going to add it and it is going to be named maybe product. So we're going to have it as section like that. I'm going to name it like this so it is going to be distinguishable. So here you have it. This is it. I'm going to click on save and I am going to click on preview. So like that. And we're going to click on section and see where it is going to take us. So I click on this, it is going to take us directly to the page or the section that we have named product. Basically, you can do that for this menu or the horizontal menu. You can go ahead and do it for a button or a specific part of a text. I mean by that you can go ahead and add from the elements, for example, a button. I don't know here, maybe any button that you want, and you can go ahead and link it to a section. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.